Thursday, we'll find out why AT&T's been such a... I mean, look, you don't get an almost 7% yield unless something's pretty wrong, right? I mean, I call that a red flag. Now, yeah, it might be a buy, but I certainly don't want to anticipate it. I mean, let's say it's a great number. It goes up like $1, and then the next day people start raising numbers. That's your chance. Even though we're in a recession, the railroads have been on fire. In a recession.
All aboard! All aboard!
With Union Pacific leading the way, I'm expecting some decent numbers here, but the stock's run so much, I think the bar might be too high. If any railroad can meet the expectations, though, it is UNP. We hear from CSX the day before this, after the close on Wednesday. Now, I'm betting Union Pacific does better thanks to its West Coast port exposure and because of its efficiency ratio. You want a wild one that could deliver monster quarter? All right, I'll give you a wild one. It's called Tractor Supply. It says everything you need to move to the country and become a gentleman or gentlewoman farmer. Don't laugh. It's one of the most reliable retailers for gardeners everywhere. And gardening is ascendant due to COVID and canning. The stock's up, well, that's ascendant because of COVID. The stock's up 50% for the year. Yeah, Tractor Supply, TSCO. What you want is for the stock or any of these that I like to have some exogenous event that has nothing to do with Tractor Supply that sends the stock down and gives you a chance to be able to buy it ahead of what I think is going to be a great quarter. What will Twitter say about the hacking and the lack of sports and movie ads when it reports? It's been a disappointment of late. And I don't know if any upcoming events that can stir interest unless sports can come back and you watch it with sports. That's what I like to do. Airline alert. If you insist on owning or even trading, it's Southwest, LUV. That's the best, okay? Bar none. It's the most profitable, and I doubt it will need help from the government. I can't say the same thing about American Airlines, AAL, which reports on the same day. That's the worst of the bunch, yet the day traders keep piling into it. Why? Because it has a low dollar amount per share, under 12. Personally, I'd stay away from the whole industry, but if for some crazy reason you need to own an airline, think of Southwest, not American. After the close, we have a tale of two semis, Intel and Skyworks. Intel seems like it's taken a bit of a step back here. It's getting clobbered by AMD lately. Skyworks, on the other hand, is a fantastic 5G play. I expect a blowout, plus multiple quarters ahead. We'll still be talking 5G. Speaking of blowouts, we're going to get results from Boston Beer. And because of its sparkling seltzer brand, Truly, this might be a very good quarter. I want you to be careful here. Constellation Brands, STZ, has entered the fray with Corona Seltzer. I don't like going up against them. They're too good.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.